Hello everyone, welcome to our Acharya Edu channel. Myself Ramkumar Kotoju, I teach physical science. Now we are going to discuss an important topic from 8th class physics. Okay, before starting the topic, one question for you. How do you come to know that a period over in your school? Yes, by school bell. By school bell. That means the school bell makes a sound. By the listening the sound, we came to know that the period is over. The specific period is over. And you might have played a game called hide and seek. In this game, a person blindfolded catches the other players who are close to him. Yes, here the question. How blindfolded person able to catch the closer persons? How he can able to catch? As by making sounds from the players. Okay, from what kind of sounds they are producing, from that sounds he can able to catch the person who is near to him, right? So that means here from these two questions, what do you notice? What is the important point you noticed? Yes, sound. The period is over, that we came to know by the bell sound. The blindfolded person catches other players by sound which is produced by the players. So now we are going to discuss, now you came to know that what topic we are going to discussing, that is sound. That is sound. Sound plays an important role in our lives. How, sir? How means the sound is help us to communicate with others, right? The sound only can able to communicate with others. If you want something, you will ask a question to your teacher. How you will ask? By showing the facial expressions. If you will show the facial expressions, that your teacher can able to understand what question you are asking. No, it is not possible, right? So here, so you will use to make sound. So you have to call by making sound. Then a teacher can able to understand what question is you are asking. Then he can clarify your doubt. Not only the human beings, animals, birds also communicate by making sounds only. By making sounds only. Right? Then we hear a varieties of sounds in our day-to-day life. Right? Like dog barking sounds and people shouting sounds, and in classroom noise and vehicle horns and huge sounds produced from the industries and music playing in television or mobile. Likewise, we can hear many sounds in our day-to-day life. The sound is unavoidable thing, right? Sound can help to communicate with others. Got it? Now we are going to play hide and seek here. Okay. Our Acharya Edu channel management can place some sounds. By listening that sound, we have to find what the sound is that and the source of sound also. Here I am using one more new word, that is called source. Source of sound. Source of sound. Source of sound means the thing which is producing the sound is called as source. Okay, the thing which is producing the sound. Here I am teaching the class. My voice is hearing, then my voice you are hearing, right? So here I am the source. You are making noise, so you are a source of a sound. Okay? Now listen the sound. Okay. What sound is this? The crowd of the people making sound, right? So which is the source here? Crowded people. The people is the source. Okay? Next sound. Yes. Dog barking sound. Here the sound is, the source of sound is dog. Tick 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 tick. Yes. The watch sound. So here the source is watch. Yes. What sound is this? The car starting sound. Right? Here the source is car. Yes. What is this sound? Whistle. So here the source of sound is whistle. Yes. Telephone ringing sound. Telephone ringing sound. What is the source? Telephone is the source. Okay. Like then you can try to find out the source of the sounds which are producing by surrounded by you. Okay. And in next class we are going to discuss how does the object produces sound. How does object produce the sound, that we are going to discuss in our next class. Thank you.